We want to create a foundation that is as strong as the concrete foundations of a house that can hold our life in place. Without a strong foundation, the irregularities and mishaps of life will buffet us about and wreak havoc in our lives. Our spirit will not survive well with constant change, and we will be like a feather in the wind. We thrive well with consistency, and we function well with stability in our lives. When the foundation of our life is healthy, it expands and supports our life more fully. We can take on more responsibilities, be more creative, and be more playful. A healthy foundation is flexible, yet at the same time enjoys the daily rhythms of life. This stability allows us to be more patient as our life unfolds, less reactive and less volatile to what is external to our being as we learn to accept life as it is. A strong foundation also helps us to maintain our spiritual connection when the winds of change blow in our lives. When building a strong foundation in our lives, we can relinquish the need to defend our point of view, and we will feel no need to persuade others to accept our point of view. Instead, we have an inner knowing of right actions and good deeds. Within each of us lays the wisdom of our world, and in the wisdom lays the freedom and willingness to step into the field of all possibilities, a place where we can surrender ourselves to the creative mind that orchestrates the dance of the universe. The more we commit ourselves to building a strong foundation, the more secure we will feel. It is through the wisdom we will find our security. Its strength lies within.